Oh, I'm sorry.
Was that you?
Yeah, someone's gonna hold it. Yeah.
Stepped on some wild animal or something.
So it's just kind of hard just to hold it when you're just kind
I
of
have to
sick.
take that somewhere to have it tuned up a little bit, you know?
That's true. I apologize for that.